Sure. Well, thanks for having me on. Nice seeing you. So, Bitcoin fulfills the promise that humanity has been searching for ever since the beginning of time, and that is perfect money. And perfect money allows humans to travel through time and space effortlessly and to achieve their full potential. And for many years, we used various pebbles and stones, and then gold was popular for thousands of years. And then in 2009, Bitcoin came along and it fulfilled this promise. It is effectively perfect money. And now what we're seeing is the realization that Bitcoin, when you compare it to other stores of value, like fiat money or property or fine art or any kind of store of value, even the stock market or the bond market, is superior. And so now we're seeing trillions of dollars leave these other stores of value and find their way into Bitcoin. And what's interesting right now is that we've entered into really a new Sputnik moment because various nations are scrambling to build up the biggest Bitcoin stock that they possibly can, because nations are beginning to understand that this is the new prima franca of the 21st century. The entire global economy is being rebuilt on top of Bitcoin, which is really perfect money. So in the case of Russia and the recent comments coming out of the Kremlin, they seem to be now ready to enter the space race or the global Bitcoin race. The United States has said under the new administration, Donald Trump, that they want to buy 1 million Bitcoin. You have Cynthia Lummis, who's a senator in Wyoming, saying they want to sell their gold, 8,000 tons of gold, and buy Bitcoin. You have other countries making that decision. We want to buy Bitcoin. Various states in the United States are choosing to buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin. And so this is really going to define the economy in the 21st century. And because at the end of the day, when you have something like Bitcoin that's better than anything else as a store of value, the market will recognize this, and you start to see people sell off other assets and move into Bitcoin.